Agra was the capital of Mughal Empire from 1556 to 1648 under the Mughal emperors Akbar, Jahangir and Shah Jahan. Then Shah Jahan shifted the capital to Delhi. The Mughal Empire saw the building of many monuments, especially Taj Mahal. Agra is a level plain area. The rivers in the region include Yamuna and Chambal. Millet, barley, wheat and cotton are among the crops grown here. The reserved city of the Fatehpur Sikri is about 40 kilometers southwest of Agra. Taj Mahotsav is a cultural festival and craft fair that was started in the year 1992. The fair is held in a big field in Shilpagram near the eastern gate of the Taj Mahal. Agra Airport conducts flight to Jaisalmer and New Delhi. From Agra Cantonment Railway Station, we can travel to major cities of India like Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Pune, Bhopal, Indore, Kanpur, Kochi and Astra. Then by road, interstate bus terminal, Ida bus stand, Taj Depot and Fort Depot are the major bus stands in Agra. The official language in Agra is Hindi and then Urdu. Bedi and jalebi are the breakfast of locals in Agra. Then paratha, bhalla, Mughal delicious dalmot, peta are the famous foods here. Agra is a city of the banks of the Yamuna River in the Agra district of Uttar Pradesh, state of India. It is 204 kilometers south of the national capital of India, New Delhi. Agra is the fourth most popular city in the Uttar Pradesh. There are many important tourist centers in Agra. The first is the Taj Mahal, the world famous one. The Taj Mahal was commissioned in 1632 by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan to house the tomb of his favorite wife Mumtaz Mahal. Shah Jahan to house the tomb of his favorite Mumtaz Mahal. It is of Mughal architecture style. Ustad Ahmad Lahori was the architect. The tomb is the centerpiece of the 42-acre complex, which includes a mosque, a guest house. We can see the buried place of Shah Jahan and Mumtaz inside the Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal complex is believed to have been completed in its entirety in 1633 at a cost estimated at the time of around 32 million rupees. The Taj Mahal assumes subtle variations of light, tint and tone at different times of the day. The tomb have 21 feet height. The four minars at four sides have slope of 2 degrees. Taj Mahal was constructed using materials from all over India and Asia. The translucent white marble was brought from Makrana and Rajasthan, the jasper from Punjab, jade and crystal from China, the turquoise was from Tibet and the lapis lazuli from Afghanistan, while the sapphire came from Sri Lanka and the carnelian from Arabia. Night weaving of Taj Mahal has been allowed for 5 nights in a month, including the full moonlight 2 days before the 2 days after, except Fridays and month of Ramzan. Taj Road, Agra, Uttar Pradesh state to India is the location to Taj Mahal. The nearest airport to Taj Mahal is the Agra airport, which is connected to Delhi. The nearest railway station Taj Mahal is Agra Cantonment. Inner state and intra-state bus transport services available to reach out to Agra. Agra is connected to Delhi by road and distance 204 km and Varanasi by road distance is 605 km by NH2. To Jaipur, Rajasthan by road distance is 232 km by NH11 and Gwalior by road distance is 119 km by NH3. One can opt air conditioned or other taxi facilities within the city. The the main parking area near the western gate, from where you can find different modes of the transport, including tongas, camels, and e-rickshaws, to ferry you to and fro from the complex. It is open on all days except Friday. Visitors can visit from sunrise to sunset. Entry fee rupees 20 for Indians and 750 foreigners. No entry fee for children below the age of 15 years. Photography is free, but photography is prohibited inside the main mausoleum. Night viewing entry fee is rupees 510 Indian and rupees 750 for foreigner. Mobile phones are banned for night viewing of the Taj Mahal. Video camera, extra batteries are prohibited, though still camera is permitted after the security check. Agra is a major tourist destination because of its many Mughal era buildings, most notably Taj Mahal, second Agra Fort, and third Fatehpur Sikri, all of which are of UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Then Agra Fort is a historical fort in the city of Agra, Uttar Pradesh in India. It was the main residence of the emperors of the Mughal dynasty until 1638, when the capital was shifted from Agra to Delhi. It is 2.5 km northwest of it. Its more famous sister monument, the Taj Mahal. The fort can be more accurately described as a walled city. Shah Jahan built the fort. Shah Jahan's death place is in this fort. He watched the Taj Mahal from the fort till his death. It is a three-storied fort. Agra Fort is at Agra, Uttar Pradesh state, India. It is a big fort situated in an area of 94 acres. It was built in 1565 and 1573. It was built for Akbar. It is also of Mughal architecture style. The fort is its present appearance during the reign of Akbar around 1556 to 1605. Many kingdoms captured the fort and also gave the donations to the fort. The fort has a semicircular plan. Its court lies parallel to the river Yamuna, and it was an area of 7 feet high. 4 gates were provided on its four sides. One Isri gate opening to the river. Two of the force gates are notable: Delhi Gate and the Lahore Gate. The Indian military, the Parachute Brigade in particular, is still using the northern portion of the Agra Fort. The Delhi Gate cannot be used by the public. Tourists enter via the Amar Singh Gate or the Lahore Gate. The site is very important in terms of architecture history. Agra Fort, there are some historic sites also. The Jahangir's house built in 1610, Shah Jahan's Mahal built in 1628-35, White and 3 Ghazin Gate, 1030 AD. The gate originally believed to be the tomb of Muhammad Ghazni at Ghazani, Jahangir's chain of justice, 1605. The Muthman Birch is built in 1630 to 1640. Then Fatehpur Sikri in the Doab region of Uttar Pradesh. The name of the city derived from the village called Sikri. It is about 40 km away from Agra. It is one of India's UNESCO World Heritage Sites, literally meaning the city of victory. Fatehpur Sikri was founded by Mughal Emperor Akbar in 1571 and served as the capital from its founding of 1585. Babur's son Jahangir was born at the village of Sikri in 1569. The complex is made from red stone and is of Mughal architecture, reflecting the both Islamic and Hindu style. By road it is about 40 km, by car west and from Agra National Highway. By bus it will take 1.5 hours. By rail we can reach Fatehpur Sikri railway station by local. Fatehpur Sikri sits on rocky ridge 3 km in length and 1 km wide, and a palace city surrounded by a 6 km wall on 3 sides, with the fourth bordered by a lake. The city was built